guys, welcome back to another Slaytastic Sunday where we are on episode 2 of our pro dance series. So let me grab the top that we're going to do today and we'll get started. All right, for this week's top, we are doing this black sports bra. Again, we got from Amazon. Nice mesh detail in the back, fully supported. And I just like this that it has different line detail that we're going to be using. We're going to do different mixtures of blues with some crystal stones. So let me take you to what the design will look like, and then we'll get started on stoning. All right, for this top, we're going with 2 different blue colors in rhinestones, as well as a crystal. So let's take you over and let's pick you out our stones. So we're using 2 different sizes. For size 10 hot fix, we're using a sapphire and crystal. And then in our bigger blue, we're using a capri in size 20 SS that I will be hand stoning. Now that we have our stones picked out, again using blue and crystal size 10 in hot fix, mixing them together to create a random pattern for our transfer to go on our garment. Now that these transfers are done, it's time to get to work. So let me take you over to our heat press as we take these transfers and put them onto the garment. Someone recently asked us what hot fix stones means, and what that means is it just has an adhesive on the back of the stone that when heat is applied, it transfers to the garment, and that's how it sticks. So these are the stones that have the hot fix material on the bottom. So I'm just hand placing it where I want them to go. Then I put a cover sheet over it, apply heat for 15 seconds at a medium pressure, wait for it to cool, and then I peel, and there you go. Now I am just hand stoning using E6000, using a syringe, just for easy and quick application. This is always my favorite part, and if I could literally do this all day. And this final step, I am hand placing the smaller blue and crystal hot fix for a scatter feature on the bust, just to give it that added unique look. All right, here is the final look of our blue fantasy. I mean, who would not want to wear this? Here's a look at the back. This would really draw all the eyes to you, which is exactly what you want in an audition. So look at all that sparkle. All right. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me on our second Slaytastic Sunday, where I will be embellishing different tops for the upcoming pro dance audition season. If you would like to purchase any one of these tops, you can check the description down below for the link to our POSHMARK, where you could see if any are still available. So in the meantime, if you liked this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Anything will help this channel grow. And in the meantime, put a little sparkle in your life, and we'll see you next time. Bye.